Hey guys, welcome to Proptracker HQ. This is just a quick tutorial on how to add accounts into your platform and then import trades and then see your trading stats regarding all of that. So at the moment you can see this is blank for your trading stats. So when you log into the platform, you'll log into this area, into business overview section. So come down to accounts and data management, add account. And in this section, we're just going to add the accounts quickly. So I'll explain once I've done these three. So add one, add number two. So I've got two to add for my personal account here. This is my personal account I'm using. So funded account, active. So let me show you quickly on the third one what's going on here. So these are the prop firms default. You can also type in here any one you want. So if you got one called Jumanji, you can add it in, just type it in and you're done. So if you, for this instance, we go to Apex, go to funded account type. You've got a whole bunch of sections here too. So if you go instant, one step, blah, 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 you can choose anything there, or you can just type in your own one. So funded, account size, and yeah, you've got active, past, failed, inactive. So if you're adding challenge accounts that you failed, you just add it in there, push failed, and that's it. If you got funded accounts, failed accounts, inactive accounts, anything. So at the moment, we've got a funded active account, so we choose that. Is the account in drawdown? No. So that's it. So I've got three accounts at the moment. So once those are in, you go to import trades, and then those accounts will populate in this section. So at the moment, we choose 11 Tradovate for this. Central is the time zone for Tradovate. So in this, we got number 11. So I've got this account for number 11, which I've already failed. So these trades all failed. So import the trades. And in this section, you've got fees and commissions. So because this doesn't come in as trades, so you've got to add them in manually. So these are the fees and commissions. So I know that's 1130 for this account. I don't have that account in Tradovate anymore because I failed it and it's not there because they take it off. So now the second one, let's go to number 12, add CSV. So number 12, this one has a lot more trades. Is that correct? Central time, Tradovate, correct. Pass and preview. This one's got it like fails and, oh, not fails, like lost trades and win trades. And there's 40 trades in total. So you've got number 12, import 40 trades. And that's also added in there now. And now we go to this section here. Let me go. So if we go to number 12, I'll show you exactly where and how to get this. So if you go, it was on Friday when this traded. So if you go there, 104.08 is the cost, fees and commissions. So if you go back to this section, fees and commissions, 104.08, save that in. Now let's do the same for number 13. So bang, number 13, pass and preview. All the trades are there. 38 trades on this account. So I traded 38 and well, I traded these two accounts at the same time, basically doing the same things almost. So if I go back to Tradovate and see the details for number 13, push the little wheel, go to Friday, go, and then it's 108.76 for this one. Save. So that's all done. So that's populated. So that's the account import and trades import into the accounts. And then once that's in, you can go to trading stats, and this is all the stats. So basically, for all those accounts, it's 83 trades. I can click live. These are live and challenge accounts. So for any challenge accounts, you can populate data here for that. And then, but at the moment, we've only got live accounts. So you can see how it all populates once all the data comes in. So this is only for January, PNL 2490. Obviously, when February, March, April come, it will scale to those months. At the moment, it's just one big fat candle. But yeah, you can see all your profit and losses. Now, the capital reality. Now, this is your trading without the fees. And then with the fees are yeah. So you've got commissions, you've got total fees, you've got total costs, and then the net after. So 226611 is what I've made on the day and where my account stands at the moment. I will be updating so you can filter more details and accounts up here. So you can choose the accounts, but that's not in at the moment. That will be coming in a future update. That's it. Cheers, and I hope this helps you a lot. Bye bye.